In this class we will see the template that will be used for surface modeling and we will explore the interface, navigating the desktop and knowing the tools for creating and editing surfaces. Let's go to class then. When we open the Inventor, we are directed to the home screen of the software. On this screen we can open the last saved projects, choose the template on which we want to work and even configure templates. In the Launch Tool group, we click on New. In this window we have all the groups of templates that we can use. We will work on the metric system, then click on Metric to enable the configured templates for this system. When we work with surfaces, we are modeling a part and the templates used are these. See that we have specific template for creating plates and the pattern for the parts in general. For the metric system, Inventor provides the templates already configured according to the DIN standard, or configured to millimeter more comprehensively. We will use the standard template, IPT, so we will model in millimeters and the saved file will have the extension, IPT. See that we have been directed to the 3D desktop, the 3D tab model, where you can find the tools for creating and editing surfaces. Before we talk about them, we will talk about the process of creating a surface. To model the surface, we click Start 2D Sketch and choose a reference plane. Note that we have been directed to the Sketch tab, where you can find all the tools to design the product format. Note that these are the same tools we use for solids modeling. To exit this tab and return to 3D Model, we click on Finish Sketch. By clicking this arrow, we can choose the groups of tools that appear in this menu. The surface and plastic part groups should be visible, which contain the tools we will use during the course. In the surface group we have the tools Stitch, Patch, Trim and Extend, which are intended for creating and editing surfaces. We will also use Sculpt, Replace Face, Repair Bodies and Thicken/Offset, which allow interaction between surfaces and solids. Alright. We conclude this lesson where we know the template that we will use to model surfaces, the work environment and the tools for creating and editing surfaces.